8 benefits of using ChatGPT to revamp your website. Welcome back, small business owners. Today, we're excited to discuss the 8 benefits of using ChatGPT to revamp your website. 1. Improved customer engagement. One of the benefits is enhanced customer engagement. With ChatGPT, you can provide personalized responses to customer inquiries, increasing engagement and satisfaction. One successful example is the Academy law firm, which uses ChatGPT to provide personalized legal advice to website visitors. However, remember that ChatGPT may not always understand complex legal questions accurately. How to implement this benefit? Create a GPT-enabled chatbot on your website. Customize it to meet your specific needs and integrate it with your website using an API or embedding it into a web page. 2. Increased conversions. The second benefit is the enhanced conversion rate. ChatGPT can guide customers through the sales funnel, leading to higher conversion rates. Bing Chat AI GPT is an excellent example of a successful implementation. It powers Bing's chatbot, providing users with personalized search results and recommendations. However, it's important to note that not all customers may convert, even with personalized guidance. How to implement this benefit? Customize your chatbot's conversation flow and add custom responses to common queries. Integrate the chatbot with your website using an API or embedding it into a web page. 3. Valuable data collection. One of the most valuable benefits is the collection of valuable data. ChatGPT can collect valuable customer data to inform business decisions and improve website functionality. A great example is the AI Content Detector website, which uses ChatGPT to detect and remove inappropriate content from user submissions. However, be mindful of privacy concerns and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. How to implement this benefit? Create a GPT-enabled chatbot on your website and customize it to collect the desired customer data. Integrate the chatbot with your website using an API or embedding it into a web page. 4. Improved website accessibility. One major advantage is the enhanced accessibility of the website. ChatGPT can assist users with disabilities, improving website accessibility and inclusivity. One successful implementation is the integration of ChatGPT with screen reader software for visually impaired users. However, ensuring that the chatbot's interface is compatible with assistive technologies is vital. How to implement this benefit? Customize the chatbot's appearance and messaging to be accessible to users with disabilities. Ensure compatibility with screen readers and other assistive technologies. 5. Enhanced customer support. Benefit number 5. Customer support is significantly improved. ChatGPT can provide automated responses and assist customers with common inquiries, reducing wait times and improving customer service. An example is the use of ChatGPT by online retailers to answer frequently asked questions. However, remember that complex or unique inquiries may require human intervention. How to implement this benefit? Train the chatbot to handle common customer inquiries and set up automated responses. Integrate the chatbot with your website using an API or embedding it into a web page. 6. Personalized recommendations. One of the major benefits is the ability to receive personalized recommendations. ChatGPT can analyze customer data and provide personalized product or service recommendations. An excellent example is how streaming platforms use ChatGPT to suggest movies or shows based on user preferences. However, be cautious of potential biases in the recommendations and ensure they align with user preferences. How to implement this benefit? Analyze customer data to understand preferences and train the chatbot to provide tailored recommendations based on user input. Integrate the chatbot with your website using an API or embedding it into a web page. 7. Multilingual support. The seventh benefit is the ability to support multiple languages. ChatGPT can support multiple languages, allowing you to provide personalized responses in customers' preferred languages. An example is how e-commerce websites use ChatGPT to interact with customers from different language backgrounds. However, ensure accurate translation and consider potential cultural nuances. How to implement this benefit? Train the chatbot in multiple languages and customize responses for each language. Enable automatic language detection for a more seamless experience. 8. Round-the-clock availability. Benefit number 8 is round-the-clock availability. With ChatGPT, you can provide 24/7 customer support, ensuring assistance is available at any time. Travel booking websites are a prime example of companies that utilize ChatGPT to effectively handle customer inquiries outside of normal business hours. However, consider the limitations of automated responses when dealing with complex or urgent matters. How to implement this benefit? Set up your chatbot to respond even when customer service representatives are unavailable. Guarantee a seamless transition to live agents as needed. And there you have it, the 8 benefits of using ChatGPT to revamp your website. Remember, each benefit comes with considerations, but ChatGPT can significantly enhance your online presence and customer experience when implemented effectively. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found it helpful for your small business needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in future episodes. See you next time.